I think people appreciate handmade objects because they tell a story of how it's made. There's like a connection with the maker. Hopefully the work is valued more. It definitely ages more gracefully than something that's made by a machine. It's a slower way of working, but a more enjoyable way, especially when the tools are sharp. I like to leave the hand tool marks on. I don't want to sand away the sole. I help manage my family's woodland in Devon. We are reintroducing lime, walnut, cherry. We're hoping these new species will be more resistant to changing climates, and we hope they will grow and become trees that future generations can use for furniture making. What I love about my work is actually really sustainable. I use wood that's often felled already or naturally fallen down, which would have been used for firewood. I try and use every bit of the tree, so every little offcut I use